Hey YouTube, St. Frank here. Today I'm going to be opening this. I almost would guarantee you is probably the last box of the Last Jedi Series 2 that I will open. Um, just I found these when I went to a hobby shop out of town at Oliver Sports in Wichita, and I picked it up, and just because they have them for a good price, and it's hard for me to pass up good deals on Star Wars cards, but I do end up getting a lot of duplicate stuff because I've opened so much of this. So let's hope we get something cool. And I'm messing up my background back there, Top Century stuff. So let's see if we get anything awesome in this. This will definitely be the last box unless I do some sort of big opening series with Star Wars. Because if I do a big opening series with a bunch of different Star Wars stuff, this will be one of the boxes I open because it's always really good. Be awesome to get an auto I don't have or a sketch. Okay, so we got Cadel and the Father pin, Snoke's taunts, Holdo, Princess Leia sticker, and a blue Tally and the Bombers. Now this box has been really weird, so I don't know what to expect from this. Or this, the boxes that they have at that store. Chewie's new buddy, the Power of Rey. I'm guessing they were from the same case. Kylo Ren's attack. There's Rey, Poe and the Owl, First Order Gunner, and a blue Rose does her duty. Got Chewbacca, Tally and the Bombers, another Rose does her duty. There's Narrow Good. There's a Resistance Bomber and a purple Following the Force. Got Battle for the Truth, Lightsaber Training, Kylo Ren. There's the Library, Nia Num, purple Resistance Escapes. Oh, there is a Rey continuity card in this one. Or no, a Rey advertisement card. Destroying the Frigate, Rey, the Porgs with Chewie, Sounding the Alarm, Looking for the Truth, Poe Dameron, blue Admiral Holdo's Defense. Ah, man. We got a patch card. Snoke takes action. There's Admiral Akbar. Well, I should have learned to not buy so many of these because now I'm getting patch cards. And Snoke's taunts, that's out of 99, 54 out of 99 numbered cards. So probably no sketch, but you never know, weird things can happen. Catching up with Finn, Poe's Assault, Kylo Ren's Reflection, Rey. There's our auto. Ensign Pamich Narrow Good. That might be silver. Nope, just regular. And there's our hits. Poe Dameron's helmet. Alright. Well, we've already got our hits, so there probably is not going to be anything else here. So I'll just try it. I'll go ahead and open up the rest of the packs. Just go through them quickly. Since they're probably not going to be hits. Just look for numbered cards. I usually like it whenever get the hits at the end of the box. That's usually what's funner. So if they come early, that's what you end up with, a bunch of packs with no hits. So we'll just open them up. And I'm pretty sure this will be the last box of this I buy. It just doesn't make a lot of sense if you get a bunch of duplicate autos. So the only ones I'm missing are some of the bigger ones. So that's pretty tough to pull, like a Snoke or Kylo Ren or somebody like that. But these have been really fun. I love this set. Great value for the money. I didn't make very much, so there's lots of numbered cards in the boxes, the hobby boxes. There's a lot of sketch cards. You got pretty good shots at sketch cards. I didn't get any in the boxes over from the Oliver Sports, but I have gotten them from other boxes at other stores. And in fact, there's like 2 or 3 of the boxes I opened. I had 2 sketch cards in the same box, so they're pretty loaded with sketch cards. Okay, so let's see what we get. Move this up a little bit. There's a Kylo Ren poster card. Purple Chewbacca's perspective. The purple Rey and the caretakers. Blue Poe Dameron sticker and a blue card. Another blue card of Snoke's throne room. There's a red, that's numbered. Pushing back to the fleet, 84 out of 199. I should be able to make me a numbered set at this point. I bought a lot of this stuff. There's a numbered red Rey and the caretakers. There's blue back at the fleet. And a blue First Order advances. There's a blue rushing back to the fleet. There's one of the mustard yellow Kylo Ren's assault out of 99. Blue Snoke takes action. That's a Rey continuity card. There's a purple searching for a base. Go ahead and sleeve that one. And the last little bit of Last Jedi Series 2. There's a blue, a Silent Observer. There's a gold, well, mustard yellow Resistance A-Wing, 32 out of 50. There's a blue, Praetorian Defense. And a blue, checking the code. And a purple, firing on the Jedi Master. Okay, so this box was not very strong, but definitely have opened up some nice boxes of this. We got 1, 2, 3, 5 numbered cards and a patch of Admiral Akbar and a Crystal Clark auto. Alright, stay tuned for more videos.